So when it comes to buying channel art, I highly suggest you only buy channel art once your channel has been established, okay? You want to come into this YouTube thing spending little to no money, okay? You want to make sure that, you find the ways to make it free, because there's a lot of ways you guys can find it. Also, if you even just Google or YouTube on the YouTube search engine, free channel art, there's so many creators out there that's actually giving you a download to actually download the channel art. I will say be careful with that though. Many viruses are out there, so just make sure you kind of just read the comments to make sure it's legit and you're not getting scammed or anything like that. Make sure you guys look into that before you decide to buy channel art. But here's how I personally buy channel art. I always find the best people that are actually graphic designers that create channel art are on Twitter, okay? And what's cool about Twitter is they literally get their clients and their customers from people saying, I need channel art. So if you go on Twitter and just tweet, I need some really good channel art, you'll probably get like 3 or 4 replies from graphic designers and artists around the world saying, hey, DM me right now. I have a really cool offer for you. I can show you some of my arts and you guys can look into that. And you'll really find a lot of great graphic designers on Twitter just from them contacting you. You can also do your research. You can use the Twitter search bar to look up graphic designers and stuff like that. And once you guys look them up, you can pretty much choose who you want to go with. One of my best thumbnail artists, you guys may know this guy. He's like one of the biggest streamers in the world right now. His name's Aiden Ross. His content, like, created the guy who does his thumbnails, his intros, everything. He actually used to do my thumbnails, right? So I actually still go to Celery if I really wanted to. But I found him through Twitter. That's how I found him. I said, hey, Cel, this is when I was making like other video game content and just IRL content in general he was helping me with. I was like, hey, man, I need this thumbnail. Can you do it for me? And he would do it for me. I paid him the price. It was probably like $10, $15 he was charging me for a thumbnail. And, it was just really, really good. It worked really, really well. And his quality was up there. So I highly suggest checking out Twitter. If you're going to buy it, at least find somebody that's really, really good, that's very professional, and give you really good channel art. Because, yes, the channel art does make a difference. It's the first thing people see when they come to their channel. So they see that, they're interested, they're most likely going to subscribe. So you guys can go ahead and buy the channel art. Now, I'm going to have a list down below as well of other places you can buy it, like Fiverr, Upwork. These are more freelancers you can buy channel art from. But you guys, like I said, there's so many other ways you can get it for free. And just with so many different things like Canva, you guys are going to be able to go ahead and literally make it on your own. And it'll come out the same way. But if you're looking for someone professional, definitely check out the list down below in the description so that you guys can go ahead and find your channel art today.